Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the VJ sniper indicator. All right, so this indicator is actually selling for 48 US dollars currently on the MQL5 marketplace. However, we are going to be testing the free demo, all right, and explaining how the indicator functions. Okay, so you just have to click on the free demo if you want to test it yourself, right? And then if you have the MT4 terminal, just click on this. Okay, so after doing that, it should download the file, the VJ sniper file for you, right, to your navigator. Okay, so I think we're just going to do that together. Just click on this, click on open, and it should lead us to, yeah, here we go. So I'm just gonna drag and drop. All right, just gonna click on test. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on start. All right, so as we can see, the indicator actually gives us precise buy and sell signals, with the aid of arrows, right? So it contains or rather it functions with the arrows, and then you can see this blue area and red area showing us potential support and resistance zones. All right, so when the upward blue arrow appears, it's telling us that it's a buy signal, and then when you have this blue zone below your candlestick appearing, it's showing us a potential demand zone or support zone, right? And then if you have the appearance of downward red arrows, it's giving you sell signal. And then when you have this red zone appearing above your candlesticks, of course, it's telling you that that is a potential resistance zone or supply zone. Okay, so pretty straightforward indicator, which would be better to use in a trending market, of course, right? So if you are in a bullish trend, you want to look out for the appearance of the blue arrows that are pointing upward. And then of course, you might want to watch out for price bouncing off the support zone, and then get your confirmation before entering the trade. All right, on the other hand, if you are in a bearish trend, you want to look out for the appearance of downward red arrows and perhaps price bouncing off the resistance zone. So ensure that you always get confirmations, ensure that you always manage your risk properly. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.